Okay, good morning to all. Today we will have the private conference for civil works project and goods and services. So we will first go with the private conference of this civil works project. Before going further, I will first declare this procurement activity on private conference for civil works and goods and services to order. So may I will go to 2471. May I now turn over the mic to Lyra to discuss the details of this 24 PF 0071. So take it.
For the contract ID number 24PF0071, contract name Reblocking of damaged concrete pavements along Baguio-Bontoc Road, K0307 plus 188 to K0307 plus 970, K0308 plus 009 to K0308 plus 187, K0308 plus 861 to K0308 plus 870, K0309 plus 830 to K0309 plus 849, K0321 plus 340 to K0321 plus 353.5, K0322 plus 107 to K0324 plus 636, K0325 plus 592.5 plus K0325 plus 606, K0326 plus 548 to K0326 plus 880, K0327 plus 627 to K0327 plus 649.5, K0327 plus 811 to K0327 plus 820, K0328 plus 750 to K0328 plus 759, K0334 plus 410 to K0334 plus 419, K0335 plus 223 to K0335 plus 227.5, K0337 plus 545 to K0337 plus 549.5, K0337 plus 700.5 to K0337 plus 714.5. ABC is 4,975,000 pesos. Contract duration 94 calendar days, including 13 calendar days predetermined unworkable days. Bid opening June 25, 2024, Tuesday.
For the next civil project, it has a contract ID number of 24PF0072 with a contract name of construction completion of multi-purpose building in Barangay Buguias, Benguet. This project has an EBC amounting to 3,960,000 pesos and has a contract duration of 140 calendar days with predetermined unworkable days of 20 calendar days. The bid opening of this project will be on June 25, 2024, that is Tuesday, and this project has a major work items, which is the completion of the third floor of the multi-purpose building and finishing works at all levels of the building. Mr. Chair, that's the details for the second project. May I now return the floor to the chairman? Thank you.
So, did the predetermined unworkable days included in the contract duration? It was stated a while ago.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
How many days?
20 calendar days.
20. Okay. So, thank you, John Ray. If there are viewers, and if they have any comments regarding the pre-bid conference on this particular civil works projects, you may raise now. So none. So this is to inform those prospective bidders who joined us for today's procurement activity that please review very well or look what was listed in the checklist on the technical and financial component of the bid in order to avoid or outright disqualification if there are insufficient requirements or not submitted in the checklist. That is a ground for outright disqualification. So this concludes now the pre-bid conference for civil works projects. So if there are no issues from our or comments from our prospective bidders, how about from the Bids and Award Committee? Do you have any comment? If none, let's proceed with the pre-bid conference on goods and services. So there are four goods and services listed here for this for the pre-bid conference. The 24 GPF 0036, 24 GPF 0037, 24 GPF 0038, and 24 GPF 0041. Ano mga undertake na ito? Will do this. So this is I will now okay, I will now again turn over the mic to Lyra to give the details on this particular goods and services. So Lyra.
For the contract ID number 24 GPF 0035. Having a contract name of supply and delivery of kneading machine, mechanical thermoplastic preheater, thermoplastic applicator and accessories for use of maintenance section of Dpwh Benguet 2nd District Engineering Office, having an ABC of 1,639,600 pesos. And the contract duration of 30 calendar days. Bid opening will be on June 25, 2024, Tuesday. Next, having a contract ID number of 24 GPF 0039 and contract name supply and delivery of asphalt for use of maintenance section of Dpwh Benguet 2nd District Engineering Office, having an ABC of 2,986,359.2 pesos. Contract duration of 30 calendar days. Bid opening will be on June 25, 2024, Tuesday. Contract ID number 24GPF0040. Contract name, supply and delivery of construction materials for use of maintenance section of Dpwh Benguet 2nd District Engineering Office, having an ABC of 1,923,293.15. Contract duration 30 calendar days. Bid opening will be on June 25, 2024, Tuesday. Contract ID number 24GPF0042. Contract name, supply and delivery of lubricants, tools, heavy equipment parts, and accessories for use of maintenance section of Dpwh Benguet 2nd District Engineering Office. ABC 2,398,390 pesos. Contract duration 30 calendar days. Bid opening June 25, 2024, Tuesday.
So that is for the procurement of goods and services. Can you go back to project goods and services number 1? So that is 35. So let's correct the previous. May I correct my previous statement a while ago regarding the private conference for these goods and services. So we have this 24PF0035 that was already discussed. The details on this was already discussed. Let's go to number 2. That is 24GPF0039. And then the third is 24GPF0040. And then next is 24GPF0042. And the last, and so there are only 4 goods and services. So that is the correction of my statement a while ago, because what was announced earlier is for the bid opening schedule or projects to be bid out on particular date. So are there comments or issues from our prospective bidder, supplier?
Mr. Chair, it's not.
So none. Okay, in as much as there are no queries from our contractors on civil works and suppliers on our goods and services, any motion? Again, before we closed, may I again inform that please review again the checklist on the bidding documents in order to avoid outright disqualification on the opening of bids. So, any move to close this procurement activity for civil works and goods and services?
Mr. Chair, if there are no queries from our prospective bidders and no more matters to be discussed, I move that this pre-bid conference be adjourned.
Okay, it has been moved and seconded. So the pre-bid conference for civil works and goods are hereby adjourned. Thank you to all.